Manually inspecting one part is easy. Inspecting 50, that's a bottleneck. In this video, I'll show you how to batch process multiple scans in Geomagic Control X and track your manufacturing trends instantly. With your inspection plan ready, head to the Automation tab. Think of batch process as your autopilot. Simply load in all your mesh files at once. Geomagic will handle the rest. Now, pay attention to the output options. You must check the XML box. Without this XML data, you cannot perform the trend analysis we'll show you at the end of this video. Hit OK and watch it work. The software repeats your entire inspection workflow for every file in the queue. This ensures 100% consistency and saves you hours of manual clicking. And just like that, the batch is complete. Let's check the output. In your destination folder, you'll see a perfectly organized set of files for every scanned part. You have the PDFs for individual documentation. Now let's analyze the data. Go to Menu, select Tools, and then select Report Tools and launch the Trend Report Manager. This tool allows us to visualize manufacturing stability over time. Import the XML files we just generated. This feeds the raw data into the system. Click Generate, and the software will compile a comprehensive comparison across all your parts. Check this out. The result is a powerful trend report. The trend report plots every dimension on a control chart. Instead of just pass or fail, you now see exactly how dimensions are shifting within your tolerance bands scan by scan. You can instantly spot outliers and see statistical stability, CP and CPK, at a glance. This is the smartest way to ensure quality everywhere. See you in the next video.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.